Look up at any skyscraper being built. You'll see a massive tower crane on top, lifting steel beams and concrete. But here's the question. How did the crane get up there? As the building grows taller, the crane grows with it. Floor after floor, the crane somehow lifts itself higher and higher. Today, we're uncovering exactly how tower cranes climb themselves to heights of over 1,000 feet. Before we dive in, make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Tower cranes start at ground level, bolted into a massive concrete foundation. At the beginning, the crane is short, just tall enough to build the first few floors. It's made of modular steel sections stacked on top of each other, each about 20 feet tall. But as the building grows, the crane needs to grow too. Otherwise, it can't reach the upper floors. The solution? A device called a climbing frame. Hidden inside the crane's tower is a hydraulic platform called the climbing frame. It sits between two sections of the tower. Here's how it works. When it's time to grow taller, workers activate the climbing frame's hydraulic pistons. These pistons push the entire top of the crane, the cab, the boom, the counterweights, upward by about 20 feet. This creates a gap in the middle of the tower. While the top is suspended in the air, workers use the crane itself to lift a new 20-foot tower section into that gap. They bolt it in place, then retract the pistons, lowering the top back down onto the new section. The crane just lifted itself. This repeats every time the building grows a few floors. One section at a time, the crane climbs higher. But what keeps the crane stable while it's suspended on those hydraulic pistons? Anchor points. As the building grows, the crane is bolted directly to the building structure. Heavy steel braces connect the tower to the concrete floors. These anchors keep the crane stable and transfer weight to the building itself. The crane and building rise together, each depending on the other. For extremely tall buildings, cranes are positioned inside the building's core. The Burj Khalifa's crane climbed inside the elevator shaft, eventually reaching over 2,700 feet. Tower cranes work by balancing weight. The load on one side, massive concrete counterweights on the other. These counterweights can weigh 20 tons or more. As the crane climbs, they climb too. The climbing frame supports the entire top section, including the counterweights, while a new tower section is added below. The counterweights stay attached and rise with everything else. Some cranes use adjustable counterweights. As the crane gets taller, operators can remove blocks to reduce the load. Once the building is finished, the process reverses. The climbing frame lifts the top, workers remove a section, and the crane lowers itself one piece at a time. But eventually, the crane gets too short to dismantle itself. A smaller mobile crane is brought in to remove the final sections. Or this surprises most people. The crane is left inside the building permanently, sealed into the elevator shaft or a mechanical room. It's cheaper than disassembly. So yes, there are cranes hidden inside skyscrapers around the world, entombed in the structures they built. If this changed how you see construction cranes, hit that like button and subscribe for more breakdowns of hidden mysteries. Comment below, what other mystery should I explain next? Thanks for watching.